Good morning. Today is Wednesday, September the 2nd, 2020. The secret to a great day is a positive start. What is your mood meter for today? Are you excited? Are you sad? Are you surprised? Or are you happy? We're Wednesday, so I'm happy. We're almost done with the week. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. So let's go over the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, today we're Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Days of the week and date. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Today we are September the 2nd, actually, I'm sorry, not the 1st, the 2nd, 2020, and it is hot outside. Months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Remember, kids, while you're at home, stay active. So these are some activities for kids. In the evenings, when the sun is not as hot, go outside and do a little bit of play tag with your sisters or brothers or your friend. Ride a bike, take a walk, stay active. Schedule. So this is your schedule. These are the subjects that you all have: math, English, science, humanity, and you have your IEP goals. And today we will be doing humanity. Life skill lesson, folding clothes. So you've been practicing already for 2 days, so you should be able to fold a towel. For any questions, please contact your teacher. Thank you.